suffered an injury at work that wasn't your fault, find out if you have a claim by visiting what'smyplanework.com. You're right, Tiffany.